Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit the Google Sheets document that is set in a view only or in the comment only format. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet application, and right after that you just need to find the documents that you get from the internet or from someone else that is in a view only format. So I already prepared one here for you. So after you click it, you will see in this side there will be a view only information, or if this information doesn't appear, you just need to go click this three small dot on the top right corner. Right below the title there will be information about the format of the documents. So if this documents is in a view only format, you will have no access to edit the cells that is in this document. You will see there is no edit tools or edit buttons over here, so nothing can do on these documents. If you want to edit this, there will be two ways. The first way, just go click this three small dot and request the edit access, so that you need to wait until the owner of these documents give you an access to edit this document. But then if you really need to use these documents real quick, you just need to do this instead. Go click this three small dot, click this share and export, and you just need to, oh my bad, and then you just need to go click this make copy, and then the application will start copy everything over these documents, and the owner will belongs to you. So here you will have an ability to edit the cells. See, and right after that you just need to go click this checklist button and rename the documents that you just copied. By go click the three small dot on the documents, and you just need to scrolling down and click this rename, and you can rename the documents here. Right after that you just need to go click rename and you're done. So that is the way how to edit the view only format Google Sheets documents on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I want to see you for the next tutorial.